Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase of Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for checking in. So look, today we have the Tusk Chub handlebar, the 1/1/8 bar, along with the universal rubber-mounted handlebar clamps. If you are shopping for your next set of handlebars and you're looking to get a 1/1/8 bar, if you have a 7/8 handlebar right now and you want to upgrade, or if you have a steel handlebar, definitely worth upgrading to a high-quality aluminum bar. I'll explain why. But the Chub bar is a really good option. Here's why. These are made from a 7075 T6 aluminum with a shot-peened anodized finish. So they're the same high-quality aluminum that you're going to see a lot of other bar companies using, but at a great price. So if you are looking for an oversized handlebar, that's a great value. You definitely got to check out the Chub. There's 5 different bends available with these. And so if you want to see a breakdown of all the different bends, all the measurements, you can look at the sizing chart. Now, if you have a handlebar right now and maybe you're just not quite sure what that bend is, or if you're wanting to know, what bend in the Chub is going to be comparable to that, we are here to answer your questions, so you can just leave those down below and we'll help get those answered. I've used the Chub handlebar before, and I'm going to tell you right now, as far as from a feel standpoint, because a lot of people talk about, how much this handlebar flexes versus this one. To be honest with you, these compared to the other top brands that are out there, I don't really notice a difference. So you're getting great construction, great price, and the same feel, in my opinion, as the other handlebars that are out there. So that's just my opinion. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you've used a Chub handlebar compared to others, what's been your experience with that? Now, a couple other things to note, some nice features here. You've got your markers here on the inside, makes it easy to know exactly where your bars are mounted up. So once you get your bars set, if you ever do have to take them off, just pay attention to where your marks are at is in relation to your clamps, makes it easy to get those back in the same spot. And then on the ends, you notice that there are no plugs, so if you run full wraparound hand guards, it's going to be easy to get those mounted up to these handlebars. And then here's the other thing. So like I said, if you have, say, a 7/8 handlebar right now, and you're looking to get a new set of bars, and you're wondering, well, why should I go get a 1/1/8 bar? Well, it's an oversized bar, and the first thing is it's just going to be stronger than a 7/8 aluminum handlebar. The other thing that you hear a lot of people talk about is 7/8 handlebars have a crossbar. And that crossbar is connecting both sides, and that's actually to add strength to that handlebar. But what it can do is make that bar feel a little bit more rigid and not flex as much, which is going to add a little bit more comfort. So when you go to a 1/1/8 bar that doesn't have the crossbar, it's going to allow the handlebar to flex a little bit more, just to offer a little bit more comfort. So that's one big reason that people like to go from a 7/8 to a 1/1/8 handlebar. And if your bike came with a steel handlebar, you definitely need to upgrade. Steel bars, yeah, they're cheap, but they're heavy and they bend pretty easily when you do have a crash. So going to an oversized handlebar is going to be a really good upgrade. So that's the bar. Now let's talk about these clamps. So again, this is the universal rubber-mounted handlebar clamp. So if you are going from a 7/8 bar to a 1/1/8, you're obviously going to need some new handlebar clamps. And again, just like with the bar, these are a great value, made from aircraft-grade aluminum at a really good price point. Couple nice features about these though, is that one, they're just designed to work with your stock triple clamps. They're gonna work with the stock rubber bushings as well. And you can rotate these. So when you put these on, depending on the orientation, so if you look closely, you can see, but if you want the bars to sit a little bit closer to you, you can have them oriented one way. But if you want to, say, open up the cockpit a little bit, then you just rotate them 180 degrees, and that will move the bars a little bit farther away from you. So just something to keep in mind when you're getting these mounted up. Now, if you do not have your clamps already and you're looking to get your bars, well, you can buy these both separately, but we have kits available. So if you want to buy the bar and the clamps all at the same time, we have those kits just to make it really easy to do. The other thing I do want to note is you notice that there's 4 different bar pad options up here as far as colorways go. So these bar pads, nice high quality dense foam, but these bar pads do not come included with the bars. So these you would actually get separately when you buy your handlebar. So just something to note. It's not going to come with the bar pad. You will get that separate. But last thing I will mention is that if you have a bike that came with your 7/8 bar clamps that are actually integrated or built into your triple clamps, and you want to upgrade to an oversized bar, here's how you do that. We have these Tusk universal adapters, and the way these work is really simple. This part right here on the bottom just drops into your clamp that is integrated or built into your triple clamp, and then you just have the upper clamp here, which is going to adapt to an oversized 1/1/8 handlebar. So if you're looking to make that upgrade, easy way to do it. Now with this, you'll notice that it is going to add some height to your handlebar. And if that's something that you don't want to do, one way that you can combat that is to go with a handlebar that has a lower bend. And again, refer to that sizing chart on the Chub product page to see the different bends that are available so you know what you're getting. But again, if you have bars, if you want to integrate from a 7/8 or go from a 7/8 to a 1 1/8, great way to do that. So a little recap here. Tusk Chub handlebar, awesome quality, 7075 T6 aluminum, really great price, all the features you'd expect from a high-end handlebar, and then you've also got those clamps. If you have questions or comments, we'd love to get those answered, so make sure to leave those in the comment section below. To grab yours, it is simple. You can just click on the link just down below, or just head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And as always, we ship for free over 75 bucks. And if you want to stay up to date on videos like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and you will be good to go. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.